Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting the damaged section and removing loose rust now. Don't delay. Score paint edges with 120 grit to expose bare stainless, then switch to 240-320 to blend. Clean metal with a stainless cleaner to remove oils. This improves adhesion and prevents staining later. Once done, dry thoroughly and tape surrounding surfaces. This prevents accidental scratches. Make sure to keep removed hardware labeled, so reassembly is immediate and correct. You now refine the finish. Move to 400-600 grit and sand with the stainless grain to remove sanding marks and feather the repair into surrounding metal. Apply a non-abrasive stainless polish and buff by hand or with a low-speed polisher to restore sheen. This reduces sites for future corrosion. When reinstalling, use anti-seize on fasteners to prevent galling and torque to the manufacturer's spec. This keeps joints tight and prevents crevice corrosion over time. You finish by passivating the stainless to rebuild the protective chromium oxide film. Apply per product instructions and rinse. Seal seams with a compatible silicone if gaps trap water, and wipe down monthly to catch early stains. If corrosion returns, make sure there are no dissimilar metals contacting the rail or hidden crevices holding moisture. Those cause galvanic attack. If that's happening, isolate metals with washers or replace components. This single change often solves recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.